We're going to start today off by going just through a little brain trick.
This week is Brain Awareness Week.
So we're going to do some fun perception things. Tell me what you see.
Everything's upside down.
Everything is upside down. Let's see how you do with catching. Oh!
All throughout the week, we visit different Alachua County public schools. And then today here we have the homeschoolers and some high school students.
When I press a play button and you no longer hear that sound, you'll put your hand down, okay? How about that one? All right, still seeing hands. All right, let's keep going. So that's about, we got a few more hands up.
We are the Society for Neuroscience here at the University of Florida, and we work closely with the Dana Foundation for Brain Awareness Week.
So we visit children who are as young as 1st grade up to 12th grade. And depending on the group, we do all kinds of fun activities, whether it's building a neuron with a pipe cleaner or dissecting a sheep brain and learning about the different parts.
We not only outreach to our community during Brain Awareness Week, but we have many activities throughout the year that we outreach to the kids in our community with.
And how many legs does this elephant have? So this is confusing because your brain is trying to make a 3D image.
So I'm hoping that this encourages kids to seek scientific paths when they do come to college or throughout their life, really get them excited and get into these STEM fields.
So there are some people that are considered super tasters.
What you guys are going to do, you're first going to put the piece of paper on your tongue and leave it on there for as long as you can and try and figure out what it tastes like to you. For anyone, does it taste like unbearably nasty?
I've always actually really loved biology, and I am planning to go into medicine in the future, and so this is just kind of reassuring that I really do love this field and I'm interested in what I'm learning.